Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple types of hepatic lesions, including hemangioma, multiple masses, and metastasis, all in one patient. You can see the liver and hemangioma is seen in the upper portion of the left lobe of the liver. A liver hemangioma, also known as hepatic hemangioma, is a benign non-cancerous tumor in the liver that is made up of clusters of blood-filled cavities fed by the hepatic artery. Usually, a patient has only one hemangioma, but in some cases, there may be more than one. Now, you can see a lesion, a mass that looks to be metastasis. Now, liver metastasis means the cancer in one part of the body has spread to a person's liver. In these cases, a person has advanced or stage 4 cancer. Prognosis of liver metastasis tends to be poor, with a roughly 11% survival rate for 5 years. You can see this is a metastasis, and it has typically bullseye shaped appearance. Now again you can see this metastasis, and next you will see the hepatic masses. Now you can see this metastasis measures about 3.4 into 3.3 centimeter, and now you are going to see hepatic mass, multiple hepatic masses. At least there are 3 masses, large masses. And these masses are seen in the right lobe of the liver, in the lower portion of the right lobe of the liver, and the blood flow shows increased blood flow, suggestive of malignancy. Now this larger mass measures about 6.1 centimeter into 5.9 centimeter. The masses are semi-solid to solid in consistency, round to oval in shape, and has slightly heterogeneous echogenicity. Now this is another mass, and you can see the measurement of this mass. This mass measures about 3.3 centimeter into 3.0 centimeter. Now another mass seen in the left lobe of the liver, and this mass measures about 4.0 centimeter into 4.1 centimeter. Now all these masses are lying adjacent to each other. Hepatic tumors are a diverse group of masses that include malignant and benign subtypes. Their presentation may vary from localized sign symptoms such as jaundice and right upper quadrant pain to vague sign symptoms such as fatigue, weight loss, and anorexia. Many hepatic tumors are discovered incidentally on medical imaging studies. Moreover, The liver is common site for metastasis, and metastasis to the liver are significantly more common than the primary liver tumors. Now you can see the blood flow. The increased blood flow is seen in these masses, and you can see the echogenicity of all masses varies a little, but all these masses are semi-solid to solid, round oval in shape, and have no fluid in their interior. The incidence of primary liver cancer is steadily increasing worldwide. Unlike most other causes of liver disease, it is treatable and prognosis is excellent provided that it is diagnosed before irreversible damage has occurred. But in this case, the disease looks to be advanced as the metastases are also visible. So it looks like a stage 4. The condition of the muscle looks like to be in the stage 4. Now, the most benign liver tumors do not cause symptoms and found incidentally on imaging studies such as ultrasound, CT scan, or MRI. It is important that benign tumors are not misdiagnosed. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Now you are going to see labeling of all these masses, and you can feel the differentiation between them. You can look the changes in the echogenicity and appearance of these multiple masses.